SpaceX amazed with chopsticks. Now China's Long March 10 stuns sans legs, uses a net. Rocket descends at high speed. Engines reverse thrust slow, net catches. Landing accuracy within meters, unmatched by any other nation. China's Long March 10 rocket launched successfully from Hainan. The first stage was recovered at sea, a first for precise retrieval in Chinese history. Long March 10, 69 MNEEDS. A fiery pillar powered by 7 engines pierces Earth's atmosphere in minutes. It delivers cargo to orbit, returns, and is caught in a net. Delivers 16 tons to low Earth orbit, 13.5 tons to high orbit, with recovery of the first stage. If the first stage were not recovered, all the extra fuel would be converted into payload capacity. The pillar could rise further, yet China aims to recover rockets, not raise them. 7 YF-100K engines ignite at launch, 3 N-type, 2 P-type. Beneath the launch pad, you witness precise controlled explosions, not just flames. When 7 engines are connected in parallel, few know the nearly half-century-old mystery behind it. The Soviet N-1 rocket's 31st stage engines led to 4 failed launches, culminating in tragedy. An engine failed on a foreign object, shutting it down, with 2,300 tons of fuel aboard. Nuke blast destroyed launch pad, Soviets abandoned method. SpaceX revived it with 9 engines, China uses 7. 9 Merlin engines provide over 900 tons of thrust. 9 Merlin engines produce 784 tons of thrust, reducing failures and boosting reliability. The YF-100K outperforms the Mei Ling 1D with a 20-second edge in specific impulse. In rocket engineering, a 20-second boost significantly enhances payload efficiency. China's engine leads in energy use. Now let's see how this rocket flies. As the rocket lifts off, it enters its most perilous phase. Speeds soar while density stresses every part, tearing the vehicle apart. Velocity soars as air thins, barely visible from below. Then comes stage separation, where the real spectacle begins. The second stage heads for orbit, switching to the YF-219 engine internally. Second stage uses methane, not kerosene, burns cleaner, more flexible thrust. China leads its energy future, reverse thrust slows descent. 4 winglets extend instantly, providing crucial aerodynamic support at high altitudes for the heavy aircraft. With precise re-entry, the craft arcs inverted, locking onto the recovery ship. No landing legs, Falcon 9 lands actively. Legs extend, precise platform landing. Amazing tough, exact platform needed. The landing legs require precise control. Any error leads to failure. Landing on a tightrope, but Chinese engineers suggest nets over legs. Let the net catch you. It absorbs impact forces. It needs less precision, fewer requirements, making it more cost-effective and usable. This smart approach simplifies complexity, reducing speed to near zero. This is not due to lack of tech. It's a strategy to reduce dimensions and slow speed. Net ensnares vessel in 2 seconds, crucial for costly recoveries. A single rocket is reused at least 10 times, taking just 3 days from catch to relaunch. Cost drops tenfold with annual launches reaching 10. breaking down commercial spaceflight costs, once up to several hundred million RMB per launch. Startups struggle with costs, not tech. Chang Zhenghao succeeds in launching satellites. This venture may include ordinary participants. Its first flight faced delays. On April 24, it was first cancelled, then repeatedly delayed into May, June, and beyond for over 2 months. Today it flew. Better to wait than risk failure. Costly failures loom larger as space sector valuations more than double. The funding for this rocket and satellite network is surprisingly large. Final note. A hidden secret. How Good Intentions trains China's lunar crew disguised as a commercial rocket. It uses YF-100K engines, key for China's lunar rockets. Each launch gathers vital data. Recovery tests rocket hull strength and aerodynamics. More flights confirm reliability for lunar landing. With each launch, we inch closer to the moon, fine-tuning our mission. When asked about China's space industry vs SpaceX, say the gap isn't just about rocket recovery. The key is post-recovery. Can it fly in 72 hours? China faces tougher challenges. Once navigated, this path exceeds all landing solutions. It takes the first step today. And ultimately, it aims not just for low Earth orbit, but for the moon itself. Moon and Leo.